In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Fortnite textures are not loading. First step is you want to find Fortnite right here, click here and go to options. If you don't see this one, it's because your game is installing or updating, so just wait for that. Go to options and make sure you untick these two, high resolution textures and Fortnite Save the World, and make sure pre-download streamed assets it's ticked. So untick these two and tick this one. After that, you want to go inside of Fortnite, go to your graphics and find rendering mode. You want to put that on performance, and then you want to put your graphics on low. Once you've done that, come to your desktop and right click and go to display settings. Find graphics settings in here, and then we want to add Fortnite. So just make sure you choose desktop app and not Microsoft Store app. Press browse, and then we want to look for a Fortnite folder. The easiest way to do this is to open up Epic Games, click here, go to manage, find installation and click on the folder here. This will bring us to the Fortnite folder. Then you want to open Fortnite game, binaries, Windows, come up here and Control C, come back in here, Control V and press enter. Then you should be on your Fortnite folder, and then you just want to select the shipping folder, the one that is the biggest size. Press add and it will be added in here. Now I already have it added, but once you've added Fortnite, you want to click on it, options, high performance and save. Once you've done that, you can close this down, and then you just want to update your graphic drivers. So go to device manager, display adapters, right click, update driver, and make sure you update the driver to your GPU. After that, you want to Google the name of your GPU and type in driver, and you need to download the driver to your GPU. Now in my case, it's the NVIDIA one, so I would download this one, go to drivers, check for updates, and download the latest one. After doing all of this, restart your PC, and then it should be fixed. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.